it's cold, no?
No, it's not cold.
It's cold, man. It's cold, huh? It's cold, huh?
The stadium in Rio, I promise I come in. This is my dream to watch the Copa America. And this is the best moment in Rio, in Brazil. Woo!
No, that's just pure laziness now. What am I seeing?
Multitasking.
If you can't
Oh,
be...
Danny,
what a guy. Thank you, sir. Thanks. Put that on Instagram that I've just sucked you out. Oh no, the gate's shut. Might be alright.
Yeah, but you know what? No. It's like, you gotta do that the first day. Good morning.
Morning.
Hello, Tree. Alright.
One player here and one against white one, please. Two player behind, one in the middle. One. Okay. It's 2 minutes. And always we have to finish with Philip.
Now it's free.
Only
Finish,
one.
pass, next line, pass here, so you can make 1, 2. Okay.
Yes, come on.
Pass. No, real pass.
Guys, don't be safe. Don't be safe. Yes, that's the face of the ball.
It's necessary, one goal.
That one is not, that's one mistake next time.
Yes. Vamos, yes. Vamos.
Good.
Vamos.
Vera. movement, it's good. On the ball, that's the pass. Yes, well done, Philip. Good. One competition mistake. Vamos, yes. That's good. Vamos. Every ball, tack.
Vamos. The ball quicker.
One mistake.
Vamos. The ball quicker.
Go.
Yes.
Use your both feet. Don't be scared to miss. Yes.
Use the space. 3 mistakes.
Come on.
No, Mendy no estaba. Come.
Next line. Tack. Ready, Leroy? Yes. Good, Leroy.
Yes.
And now we attack. Now behind.
The right moment.
Yes, John.
We need the free man. The last 20 minutes. Last 20 seconds, please.
On the pass.
Yes.
Well done now. How feel right foot. Well done. One mistake. Oh, John, well done.